Good evening, everyone. This is Bhavisha Verma as Assistant Professor, SD College, Ambala, Kent. Today, I'm going to explain the latest features of Export Import Policy 2019 and 20. So India's export, which was earlier amounted to US dollar 465 billion in 2013 and 14, in now to be raised by 900 billion US dollar 900 billion by 2020. The export to be raised from 2% to 3%. The Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitaraman unveiled the foreign trade policy 2015 to 2020, which says that higher incentives will be given to agricultural industry. FTP, foreign trade policy, to work with state governments to boost the India's export. The foreign trade policy helps to increase export capabilities. Through this, the more employment generation is focused, value addition and in the country is made through Make in India program. Changes in economic environment is seen by improving trading agriculture. Two new policies have been developed: merchandise export from India and service export from India scheme for improving the export capabilities. As per these schemes, the duty credit scripts which issued against them are fully transferable, which says that the credit scripts used at the time of custom duty are now transferable. Earlier, exporter has to pay them while exporting goods and services, and now they are fully transferable and can be borne by any of the parties who are trading under EPCG scheme. Under EPCG scheme, it is also possible to acquire goods from the small manufacturers which were earlier not under the reach of EXIM policy. A merchandise export India scheme country, under it country is split it into three groups, and to provide rewards which ranges from 2% to 5. And under service export India scheme, the reward ranges from 3% to 5%. The policy are made to encourage a boost in export, defense and high tech fields. On the export of handloom items, books, leathers, fashion, and toys through post, they are eligible for the reward of rupees 25,000. Manufacturers who produced good within the country are now eligible to access the international market easily. Fast clearance of the product that are exported and imported are now provided under the scheme, and warehouses are available near the port for the exporters, and duty free equipments for training are also made available. Niyat Bandhu scheme Niryat Bandhu scheme has been established to promote Skill India program. Foreign trade policy also focuses on paperless work in the coming years. Under the 5-year trade policy, incentives will be given to the exporting companies who are focusing on creating jobs. Company that uses foreign post or courier for exporting their goods up to rupees 25,000 per consignment will be given rewards under Merchandise Export India scheme. Training will be provided to the new manufacturers who want to enter into the exporting business, and training will be provided to them under extensive training program. Thank you.